Oxtail and okra is one of my favorite meal. So today I'm going to show you how I make mine. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. I hope everything is well for you. If you're new to my channel, my name is Elodia, Mom of 3, and I love cooking. My oxtail is already washed. In the pot I have ginger paste and garlic, parsley, coriander, and onions. And for ingredient we are going to use chopped white onions, chopped okra, chopped fresh tomatoes, seeded. It's optional, you can leave it whole or you can blend it. And for the spices, I go hot paprika, nutmeg, powdered nutmeg, and black pepper. As you can see, I have two pots, one with the oxtail and the other one is beef meat. In my household, it's not everyone that love okra. So for that, I'm going to make oxtail with beef meat and another one oxtail with okra. Put all the vegetables and the spices in the meat, and now I'm mixing all together just to combine. As you can see, I did not put salt. I'm going to boil it for 20 minutes and then can put salt. And at the meantime, I'm going to pre-cook the tomatoes. After 20 minutes, I'm going to add salt. But for me, I'm going to use Vegeta, which is salt and vegetables, dry vegetables, and some Maggi cube. If you don't like all what I'm using, you can use salt and any spices that got salt on it. Make sure you taste your food. I'm adding some water and leave it cook. My tomatoes are done. Now I'm going to mix the oxtail and then add salt. And I'm using the same thing with the one I used for the meat, the beef meat, which is Vegeta and Maggi cube. I'm gonna let it cook for a few minutes, and now my beef is done. I'm going to put in a grill because I don't like frying my meat. And for the oxtail, it's not cooked yet, it takes long, so I'm gonna leave it, add some water and leave it to cook. At the same time, the beef is cooking in the oven and the oxtail cooking. I'm now going to fry the okra, and I added some green bell pepper. That's optional, but I love the taste of the green pepper. And I'm adding some Vegeta seasoning. As I say, you can put salt. I'm not gonna let it really cook, just to pre-cook my okra. And here, after 1 hour, the oxtail is ready. As you can see, it's soft. Now I'm going to add oxtail in the beef pot because my kids love oxtail as well. They don't like okra, but they do love oxtail. So now I'm going to pour the okra in the oxtail and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes and add some spices. Scotch bonnet, that's optional. From this stage, I'm going to fry the tomatoes, not too much oil, some onion, and then add your tomatoes for the stew, the beef and the oxtail stew. My tomatoes are done. Now I'm going to pour it in the mix and add some water. Let it cook, season, and you are done. And that's it for today, guys. The food is ready. Because I'm gonna eat okra, I'm gonna serve my okra with fufu, which is semolina, and it was delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you love okra and oxtail, try it and let me know down the comment below. If you are new to my channel and you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bon appetit! Bye!